Welcome to the most advanced yet simple to use Character Animation Kit. 5 massive products, thousands of features, packed into one. So, let's have a look. The Character Studio is composed of simple, intuitive controls, allowing you to modify every detail. With dedicated sections for head, torso, legs, arms, and yes, even muscles. One can also change body proportions, making your characters shorter, chubbier, and cuter. There's also complete control over the clothes, so even users with minimal experience can start creating their own characters directly within the toolkit. With the Head Design Studio, you can control the forehead and chin separately, allowing you to create any head shape. Change eyes, ears, nose, mouth, and even cheeks. Modify its hair, beard, and mustache. And what about animation? The toolkit comes with the largest library of fluid animations, and they are so easy to use. Simply select any character and add any animation. All animations are fully loopable, so you can add different animations to create your own story. We have also included a hand rig with 50 pre-made poses. And for the head, there's a complete head animation suite just for that, having over 50 face and mouth expressions that can be toggled by simple sliders. And you can even blend expressions together. Of course, for the more experienced users, the toolkit comes with one of the most advanced character rigs available. This can be used to create both rigid and smooth limbs animation. The kit also comes with a scene designer, which is packed with professionally designed image assets. Simply build your own scenes and bring them to life using the included animation presets. With our carefully chosen features, character design and animation will never be the same, giving you complete control while ensuring that every character is completely unique, trendy, and captivating. So, what are you waiting for? We're now in the Character Studio and we're going to see how we can build a character. We will start from the body skin color, just pick any color. Now let's modify the torso. Simply pick any style by giving it a number. Increase thickness and make it round. As for the arms, we will increase thickness, increase the distance between the arms and hand size. Finally, let's increase the size of the head and modify its position. Now we will customize the clothes, adjust the sleeve length and its thickness. Remove the bottom sleeve by setting the length to 0, and choose a color for the top sleeve. Finally, we can choose a color for the shirt. Moving to the Head Studio, let's change the skin color. Increase the overall roundness and modify the forehead shape. Increase its width, height, and roundness. As for the chin, we will increase the width and decrease the height to create a completely round head. Now we can pick a different hairstyle. Let's change the front and middle hair and give it a nice color. We can change the nose color, select a different style, and tweak its position. We can also tweak the position of the mouth. Finally, we will change the ear colors to match the hair, and also tweak the eyebrows color. With the character set, let's now add an animation. From the included animation presets, simply find the animation you want to use and double-click. I will choose a happy, jumpy walk animation. Let's preview it. Finally, we can choose a face expression. Simply increase the slider to a value that you like. Let's now add the mouth expression. You can, of course, add more expressions and blend them together.